So in today's session, we are going to start with our first part of our reading, that is multiple choice, multiple. Now, what is multiple choice, multiple? So students, in this session, you will have this kind of paragraph. Also, one question is there. Also, few options are there. These options can be the 4, 5 or 6. So what we need to do, we have to mark the correct one. So the thing is, we don't have only one answer over here. We can have the 2 or 3 or 4 answer can be here. So we have to mark the correct one. So which one is the correct one? If we are marking any wrong sentence, then our marks will be deducted because this exercise contains negative marking. So for avoid negative marking, what we need to do, we have to mark the correct options. So which one are the correct options? Let's see. See students, you will have this kind of paragraph. Before reading the paragraph, you must read out the question first. Now, which one is the question? What does the reader of this paragraph learn about John Robertson? Now, student, you must know if the question is asked about something specific, then we have to find out the same line which is given specifically. But if the question is asked about the whole idea or hidden meaning, that means we have to find out the answer that is given in a journal form. Okay, so now what is asked over here? He asked, what does reader of test learn about? Now what we learn about this from this paragraph? The life of the John Robertson. See, now look at the options. Can we learn about that he was born in Africa? See, when he was awarded, he means Robert Johnson, he was awarded an ordinary degree of University of Newcastle. John Robertson himself must surely have looked back in a wonder at his astonishing rise of success. So is there African word is given? No. The information that he was born in Africa is not given over here. Now, see this line. In the year of 1910, and those assembled to hear not only of his generosity to the university, which enabled to contribute the pioneer research of the tropical disease being carried out at that time, but also his humanitarian work in South Africa, where he was ahead of his time in improving his success. No, the knowledge that he was born in Africa is not given in this paragraph. So this sentence, what we need to do, you have to do that. This sentence is not given, that you have to mark the wrong one over here. Now come to the next one. His abilities were evident at the young age. Now we have to find out that whether his ability was given at the young age. Students, look here. He was now enjoying the rewards of his fierce determination, desire to succeed, extraordinary ability to acquire a knowledge which they had noticed at the young man. Yes, means his near and dear one already knew when he was at his young age that he is capable or he is able to achieve something big. So this line gives us the similar meaning of this line. His ability were evident at the young age. Yes. So this point can be the correct one. Is that clear? Now come to the next one. He studied medicine. He completed his degree in 1910. So whenever any year is given, we have to straightly go to that line. The year that was 1910. Those assembled were not here to only of the generosity of university, which enabled to contribute the pioneer research of the tropical diseases being carried out at that time. No. The information that whether he completed his degree in 1910 is given. No, it is not given in this paragraph. So the thing which is not given in this paragraph, we have not to mark it. Last one is, he achieved success rapidly. So is this information given over here? Student, see. Also of his humanitarian work in Southern Africa, where he was ahead of his time in improving his success, he was now enjoying the rewards of his determination, desire to succeed, extraordinary ability to acquire knowledge. Yes, it is given that he just achieved the success very rapidly. See, you can see over here now, that we have no surprise that he was ahead of his time. So That means he was so determined that he rapidly gained the success in his line. You can see that this line is not given as it is over here, but by the meaning of it we can get to know the sense that he has achieved the success in a very rapid manner by his fierce determination. So you can see the answer of it. The answer will be this one and this one. His ability were evident at the young age. He achieved the success rapidly. Student, so how we can find out the answers? We have to read out the paragraph first. After that, just read quickly that paragraph, then read out the questions. After that, you have to find out which answer will be the correct one. So the best method is to solve the paragraph is read quickly and take the overall meaning of the points that which is given in an overall sense. Don't find the exact point. If we go for the exact point, the overall point we are skipping. So we have to find out this one.